Hello guys. Welcome to Whatvwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 4 top video sharing sites. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1, YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing website served worldwide. It has billions of users every month. It is available in 76 languages. This site doesn't require any registration to watch videos. It consists of movie trailers, teasers, shows, short films, documentaries, and music videos. Mostly individuals upload their videos and different channels offer their partnership with YouTube and they can upload their videos in it. Number 2, Vimeo. Vimeo is one of the top video sharing websites where users can share, view, and upload videos. It was founded in 2004 and it mainly concentrated on short films and movies. It was the first web sharing site to support high-definition video format. Vimeo Basic is free of cost, and the Plus version is available in monthly and yearly plans. The videos of this site look professional. Number 3, Dailymotion. Dailymotion is a video sharing platform founded in 2005. It is available worldwide in 35 countries and supports 18+ languages for free of cost. It has 300 million monthly users. Registration is not required to watch and like the video, but to upload and comment one needs to be registered in the site. This user can search, upload the videos using tags, channels, and groups. Number 4, Flickr. Flickr is a video and image sharing website founded in 2004 and is available in 10 languages. It is a commercial website and registration is required to watch the videos. To upload the content, the user should have an account on the site. The user can create a profile page on the site and they can make their videos available to another Flickr user. Flickr app is available for iOS and Android mobiles. It has 3 types of accounts, such as free, ad-free, and double. The free offer allows 1 GB per video and the maximum length is 3 minutes. The ad-free options make users free from advertisements. The double account provides twice the storage of a free account. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.